let's learn this beautiful blue eyeshadow look. It's a proper monochromatic look, like it's just one shade but different tones. So for this look, I'm starting with e.l.f. gel liner in shade teal. I went innovative and I just applied gel liner all over my lid as an eye base. So today I'm not using any concealer. Rather, I am using this gel liner as an eye base. It's a beautiful teal color, and then I'm adding light blue shade and I'm literally packing it all over the gel liner. This way my gel liner won't crease and my color will look really pretty on the lid. And then on the edges of the eyeshadow, I'm slowly blending it over the crease part because I don't want any harsh lines. So it just depends how much shadow you take. Then I'm going in with a white eyeshadow in my brow area, and then I'm bringing it slowly down towards the crease. Adding white really helps because it diffuses the shade, and I'm adding the same in the tear duct as well. Then I went in with blue shimmer and packed it all over my lid and in my lower lash line as well. It's a really pretty shimmer. And then I went with white champagne shimmer in my inner corner. Then I'm going in with Maybelline gel liner as a kohl, creating a wing liner on the eyelid as well with some lashes. This is my final look. Hope you love it.